What's the one thing stopping you from buying your dream home right now? We have found that many people don't think they can buy a home because they don't have $20,000 or more for their down payment and closing costs. Maybe they believe their credit just isn't good enough to qualify for a home loan, or they just don't know who or how to make contact with someone that can help them purchase a home. Hi, I'm Kyle Noah, and I'd like to help you become a homeowner. We offer a free home buyer class that would demystify the home buying process and provide you with a step-by-step roadmap that will ensure you a smooth and successful journey. Just imagine, you will stop collecting rent receipts and start building equity in your own home. Your family will now have a more stable environment as well as the potential to build long-term financial growth. If you participate in our home buyer class, I will show you exactly how to purchase a home for as little as $4,000 total out-of-pocket costs and credit scores as low as 600. Our proven system has helped over 1,500 first-time home buyers and renters purchase a home in the last 35 years. We work with a team of experienced professionals, which includes lenders, title companies, insurance agents, and home inspectors that help make the home buying process happen like clockwork. It's a step-by-step process until you're sitting at the closing table, signing your home buying documents and getting the keys to your very own home. In the home buyer class, I will show you the complete system and then show you how to implement it. If that makes sense to you, please review the information below. We have included a few testimonials from a few of the people who have helped become homeowners. Please click the Save My Seat Now button to receive the 100% free training. If you reserve your seat to attend the live class, we will also provide you with some pre-training videos to help you prepare for the home buyer class so that you can get everything you need to make the most of this opportunity. We look forward to seeing you in the class.